Some of you may want to import your own HTML emails that you've created previously, or it comes from your designer, whatever the case may be. I'm going to show you now where you need to insert a couple of tags in order to function with the system. So you need to insert this in your HTML before you actually import the file into the system. Alright, firstly at the top you have your opening HTML and head tag, you have a title tag, then your style tag opens, put in your styling, afterwards you close your styling over here, then your head also closes. Directly below that the email body starts, so you put in your body tag. Here you can also specify the background colors, etc. And then after that you can start with your tables. Okay, so first of all, if you want to make an area editable, a specific table or whatever, then you can put in this div tag, the content editable equals to tag. So you open it up, you put in whatever you need to put in there, and then at the end you just close the div tag. Alright, so currently we're looking at the top table where we inserted a browser view and a viral tags. Okay, this is mainly used, the browser view is to generate online preview of the email. So if they click this link, then it will open up in the browser. The viral one is if you want to forward it to a friend, it will take you to a separate page where you have a form and you can put in the email addresses in which to forward the email. Alright, so once that part is done, look, this is really just a very basic example. I mean, you can play around with it and put it wherever you want, at the bottom or wherever in your email, but just as long as it's between your body tags. Alright, then over here we've got a header image. We also put in the content editable tag. Then we've got another table where the actual text starts. And over here, this is also very important, it's the BLK content tag. So this is also to make a specific area editable, where you can insert content via the editor. But yeah, this can actually be inserted anywhere, just as long as it's between your body tags. Okay, so then right at the bottom, if you want to, you need to put in the unsubscribe link. So over here is your unsubscribe tag you need to put in. We've also inserted a smart tag that will populate the recipient's email address. So this is a tag that you can use for that. Okay, then once you're done, just make sure you close your body tag and you close your HTML tag, and the tags that you've inserted are between the body tags. So once you're done, you can save, and then you're ready to import the template. In part 2 I will show you the actual importing process. Ciao for now.